Tell us to our viewers, not to me, understand? This video is for the viewers, not for me. Okay, so what's your university?
The name of my university is IELTS University, which is situated at Mirpur Beribat, and I got admitted a couple of weeks ago, and I'm from BBA department.
So what is your relation with Liakat sir?
Relations, Liakat sir is a very good human being, and when I admitted in Liakats,
Oh, you are a student of Liakats?
Yes,
Okay.
and
So what are you learning at Liakats?
I learned a lot of things in Liakats, especially when I was in East West University. I was very weak in English, and on that time my father was very tensed about me. Then he offered me to admit in Liakats, and
So which course are you taking at Liakats?
especially first of all I took basic English spoken, and then I will shift IELTS courses, and maybe I will sit for the IELTS exam on the end of March. So and in September I have a plan to study in abroad.
So sometimes you take kids English classes at Liakats. So how do you enjoy taking classes for the kids?
It was a very big achievement for me that when I was in student in there, I got an offer from Liakats sir to take class to the children and Liakats Kids English, and at present I am doing graphic designer, and besides my study purpose I am doing as a junior teacher in Liakats Kids.
So do you enjoy taking classes for the kids English?
Yes, I really feel very enjoy.
সো ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স, যারা লিয়াকাটসে পড়াশোনা করে আইএলটিএস স্পোকেন কোর্স করে, যাদের মধ্যে পটেনশিয়ালি আছে, যারা কাজ করতে চায়, তাদেরকে আমরা লিয়াকাটসে পার্ট টাইম কোনো না কোনো কাজ করার সুযোগ দিয়ে থাকি। সো আপনি যদি পড়াশোনার পাশাপাশি মানে ইংলিশ শেখার পাশাপাশি কিছু করতে চান, তাহলে লিয়াকাটস হতে পারে আপনার ফার্স্ট চয়েস। সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, আল্লাহ হাফেজ। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। তোমাকেও অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you, sir.
সি ইউ, টেক কেয়ার।